Do you feel like you're saying words in English, but people don't understand you? Perhaps you're using the wrong word order in English. Well, English is a language that has a specific order of words. This way, we express ourselves freely and we're understood by native speakers. Watch this video until the end to learn the specific order of English words to express yourself fluently in English. Let's begin. So, every English sentence has a subject, a verb, sometimes an object, and other things that I'm going to tell you about. So, we begin with a subject. They or she are subjects. We can also substitute pronouns by nouns, but we still need a subject. A subject is doing an action. So we need a verb. She, they read, for example. She works. She works. And then after the verb, we need something else. Sometimes it's an object. They read books. So we have subject, verb, object. And then we have an adverb of place, at home. So subject, verb, object, an adverb of place, subject, verb, object, adverb of place, and adverb of time, always at the end. So, subject, they, verb, read, object, books, where, at home, adverb of place, and adverb of time at the end. So, they read books at home all the time. If we rearrange the word order, the sentence will not make that much sense. Do some of you recognize these common errors? They all the time read at home books. No, they read books at home all the time. Now this is proper English. Subject, verb, object, adverb of place, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Now we have another example. She, subject, works, verb. Every day, adverb of time. She works a lot every day, modifier. We cannot say she a lot works every day, or she every day she a lot works. Well, we can put every day in the beginning, yes, but only when we're stressing the specific time that she's working, not the fact that she's working, that she's doing it every day. So we can put every day, she works, but the modifier has to go at the end still. So, subject, verb, object, place, time. They read books all the time. All the time can be placed in the beginning, but we're stressing the time, not the action. So when we stress the action, we put the adverb of time at the end. Subject, verb, object, place, time. Subject, verb, modifier, adverb of time. I hope you found this useful. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.